Okay, this is a quick video of what I put together for iPhone controlled sound for R2D2. You'll have to excuse the mess in here a little bit because I threw it together in one night to get it ready for Acon. Hopefully you can, well, this screen's a little hard to see, but let's see. Anyhow, this is setting up the Wi-Fi for R2D2. And basically I pick the R2D2 Wi-Fi router, which is this right in here. It's got two antennas on it, one on one side, one on the other. You can kind of see them here amongst all the wires. Once the iPhone has been connected to the R2D2 Wi-Fi router, I switched to an app called MRMR or Murmur. Start it up. Takes a moment to start up. Hit the play button and it brings up the GUI controls. Right now it's just a bunch of buttons, and I don't know if you can see it on the video, but there's labels below each button. Each button represents a group of sounds of a certain category. Like the top left is alarm, the next one down is mad, next one down is sad, next down is wow. So I hit the wow button, I get a wow type sound, or Raz button, I get a Raz type sound. If I keep hitting it, it picks a random sound out of that category. So some of these buttons have like 20-30 sounds under them. Sometimes you get the same sound over again. I also got the dance on here. If you hit another button, it will play. The thing about iPhone control is it'll keep running even if it loses communication. It'll just do whatever the last command it had and go with that. So like if I start playing dance and I say like switch out of Murmur, it'll keep playing. I can switch back into it again, bring it back up. As soon as I play another sound, it'll cancel the previous sound because it can only play one sound at a time. Also, if you look in here, it's kind of hard to see. I got speakers on either side. They're 4 by 6 inch speakers. They're car speakers. And then over here, a little hard to see, I got a 300 watt audio amplifier, which is connected down here through the volume controller to, it's really hard to see in here, but it's a V-Music module. And then that is connected to the microcontroller up here, this Make controller with that bright red light on it and the flashing green light. And that's basically the heart of the operation. That's what receives the signals from the Wi-Fi router over this Ethernet cable in the bottom here and controls the whole operation. That's its link to the R2D2. There's a bunch of pins on here you can connect various things to. Input pins, output pins. Right now the only thing that's connected to it is the sound, but eventually there'll be a Jedi controller hooked up to it, as well as other things. That's about it for now. Hopefully this video comes out okay.